Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to place two pictures perfectly side by side for a project, social media post, or maybe a quick collage, today's tutorial is just for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Canva, a free and super user-friendly tool, to get those two photos lined up beautifully next to each other. By the end, you'll have a simple, elegant two-picture layout you can download, share, or print, whatever you need. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up and takes just a moment. Once you're in, you'll see the big Create a Design button, usually near the top right corner of your screen. Click that and then you're going to select Custom Size. For this, let's type in 100 by 100 pixels. Now the size might sound a little small depending on your project, but this is just a starting point. Feel free to adjust those numbers if you want a bigger or taller canvas. The important thing is to have a square canvas so your two pictures line up neatly. After you set your custom size, Canva will open up a fresh new workspace for you. This blank design acts as your digital canvas, kind of like starting with a fresh sheet of paper. Now here, where the magic starts happening. Look over on the left sidebar for the Elements tab. It's usually easy to spot, marked by a little square or shapes icon. Click on that and in the search bar type Frames. Frames in Canva are like little containers for your images. They help you crop and position photos exactly where you want them. Scroll through the frame options until you find one that looks like two rectangular spots right beside each other, almost like a window split down the middle. Click to add that frame to your design. Once the frame appears, go ahead and stretch it out so it covers your entire background. Just click the corners and drag, they're super flexible. Setting the frame as your background makes sure both photos are anchored in place and evenly sized. This is one of those tiny steps that makes a big difference. It keeps everything tidy and balanced so you don't end up with one photo way bigger than the other. Now for the fun part, adding your photos. Click on Uploads in the sidebar or just drag your images straight from your computer right into Canva. When both images are uploaded, you can just drag each one over to one of the spaces in your frame. Canva will snap your photo right into place. If it doesn't look quite right, maybe someone's face is cut off, you can double-click on the photo to reposition or zoom in until it looks just how you want it. Take a moment here, it's worth checking that both images look nicely centered and nothing important is cropped out. And honestly, that's it. You now have two pictures side by side, perfectly aligned thanks to Canva's powerful but easy-to-use tools. You can download your finished design as a JPEG or PNG, or share it straight from Canva if you like. If this tutorial helped you out, please smash that like button. It really supports the channel and lets me keep making more helpful content for you. If you ran into any hiccups or if there's another Canva trick you want to learn, drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on. And if you're new here or want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.